Hi guys, my name is Alex and welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited today because I'm gonna bake my favorite dessert. It's New York cheesecake. First step, what I'm gonna use, this is the graham crackers and melted butter. So I prepared this with microwave. So I'm gonna use this plastic bag and I'm gonna crush this cracker. It's gonna help me to make small pieces. Stir the mixture. Okay guys, I'm gonna use this spring form pan and I'm gonna give you very important tips. Okay guys, so you can use this parchment paper. I'm gonna do this, I'm gonna do like this, I'm gonna do like this, and I'm gonna cut. So, and I have perfectly round shape, period. You see? It's perfect. I'm gonna use glass to make this base perfectly. Guys, I'm not gonna bake this. I'm going to do the refrigerator for rest until I finish my cheesecake. Cheesecake is cream cheese. They're very important. All ingredients have to be room temperature. I'm gonna add sugar. It's very important to add ingredients step by step. So the first step is mix all together cream cheese and sugar. Next step, I'm gonna add sour cream. Guys, look at this texture. It looks amazing. It's so delicious. I can't wait when I'm gonna taste it. The next step, I'm gonna add eggs. I need 2 eggs.
You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up.
Leave comment below, like, what's your favorite dessert? My favorite dessert is cheesecake. You just need to add few more ingredients and we done. The next step is cornstarch. I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons. And also 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. So in the last part, very important, and I'm gonna add lemon juice. This is half of lemon, and I'm gonna use this much. I'm gonna use this lemon juice, and I need to protect from seeds. The last time I'm gonna mix all together and we're ready to bake it.
Drop it.
I just removed this from the refrigerator and this base is ready to add my beautiful cheesecake. next step, I'm gonna cover springform pan with a foil. I'm going to bake cheesecake with water bath, so look carefully how I'm doing. I'm going to use hot water, and this is very important. I'm gonna bake this cheesecake for 1 hour total. The first half hour I'm gonna bake for 360 Fahrenheit, and other half hour I'm gonna bake for 300 by Fahrenheit. When everything is done, you take it out from oven and put it in the refrigerator, and it's gonna rest for other 6 hours. Dip your knife in hot water before cutting your cheesecake. It gets sliced more perfect. You can add more caramel or strawberry or raspberry, but I prefer eat cheesecake just clear. But this is my preference. So guys, thank you for watching this video, and I'm gonna eat my perfect cheesecake. Oh my god, I'm so hungry, honestly. That's amazing. Guys, thank you for watching this video. I'm glad I make this perfect cheesecake. Don't forget subscribe, leave comment below, and don't forget about like. See you in next episodes.